Hey fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie, and a couple of months ago, Leia and I were very fortunate because we got to attend the global launch of the Huawei Mate 30 series in Munich. Now, despite all the controversy that it didn't ship with Google mobile services, their newest flagships is actually selling quite well because of its great feature set and the fact that you can actually sideload Google on this device. Speaking of which, another reason why I think we were lucky is because at that time, getting Google on the Mate 30 Pro was very easy. You had to visit one site, get one app, and that was pretty much it, which really had me thinking, what if we weren't able to install Google then? Or what if we didn't install Google at all? So in this video, we're gonna be taking on the No Google challenge, and I'm gonna be doing a factory reset on my Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So this is going to be a two-part series. You are of course watching part one, and I'm going to be doing the factory reset as I mentioned and teaching you guys how to get the essential apps, or at least the essential apps that I use on a day-to-day basis. And part two will be sharing my experience without Google services, and then at the end of that one, I'm going to teach you guys how to reinstall Google services on your Mate 30 device. And now, without any further ado, let's get to that factory reset. Alright, so to prove to you guys that we're actually doing this, here we go. I'm going to be doing a factory reset on the phone right now, which is kind of sad. Where is it? Reset, reset phone, and here we go, guys. Time to reset this Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So here it is, guys, my Huawei Mate 30 Pro, fresh from that factory reset. No more Google Play Store, no more Google mobile services. I'm actually quite sad, but let's take on this challenge and see how it is actually to survive without GMS. And as for the second part of this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on how to install the essential apps, or at least my essential apps that I use on a day-to-day basis, which includes Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, an alternate browser aside from the default one that Huawei uses, and then I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the default Huawei email app for your Gmail. But before we get to that, I do have to say that there are two very essential apps that I'm not going to be able to install because they require Google services, which are YouTube and YouTube Studio. But the quick workaround for that one is just to use the browser. So we'll see what happens. Now I'm going to be starting off with something that's really easy. As we all know, Huawei has been investing a lot of money in building their own ecosystem and really beefing up their app gallery. So one of the apps that I really need is actually already on there, which is Viber. So Viber is definitely a very essential app to me, Leia, the rest of the Unbox team, and actually the entire tech mob. It's because that's where we coordinate our efforts. Although if you check our chats, it's probably like 80% kalokohan than it is business. And as you can see by the B-roll sequence I'm showing you, there's actually a lot of apps that are quite useful that are already available in the app gallery, so I'm going to be installing those as well. Now, I also found Opera in the app gallery, which is a browser I haven't used in a very long time, so it's going to be interesting to see how it compares to Chrome. They say that there's a built-in VPN, so yeah. Okay, so smooth sailing so far. Now it's time to go on to the next app that's actually not available in the app gallery, which is Facebook. Thankfully, it's also very easy. You can get it through their website. I'll put a link down below so you can get the official Facebook APK to make things a little simpler. And all you have to do is download that and open it up, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're done. You now have Facebook. Now this is where things get a little interesting, since Messenger and Instagram aren't available in the app gallery, and I don't understand why they don't offer Messenger in the official Facebook website, since they're the same company and integrated in the same thing on the desktop version of Facebook. So yeah, you're gonna have to find a third-party source for this one. I have my list of trusted sources, and if you have your own, please leave them down below in the comment section so other people in the community can easily download trusted APKs for these two apps. Now, the most important thing that I'm going to have to set up on my phone is actually my email, and it looks pretty simple too. So I primarily use Gmail, and I'm very thankful that the default Huawei email app actually supports it, and all you have to do is follow along the on-screen prompts. And I'm going to be doing this off screen so I don't mistakenly show you guys my password or my actual email address so you can spam me. So yeah, here's a step-by-step process of setting up your email, but it is very, very easy. Okay guys, so my phone is actually now set up for me to take on this challenge. Of course, I will be adding more apps from Huawei's own app gallery and seeing what I need from the third-party sources in the next coming days, and I will report back to you guys in part 2. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.